Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the Boker Plus Tenshi. This model features a 2.68 inch VG10 blade. Really cool recurve style. It's a Kansei design, as you can see there on the blade. He is a fantastic and legendary designer. Does pretty much just straightforward knives, straight to the point, no pun intended, in the knives, and he knows what works. Really sleek, very simple. Love the Micarta scales on there. A little bit stainless steel liners. This model runs on washers, which makes it nice and smooth, incredibly fidget friendly. Really like the deep pocket carry. Super lightweight at 1.9 ounces as well. All around a spectacular knife. So make sure to get your new Boker Plus Tenshi today at Blade Ops.